So you are taking a lot more risk there. But then again, you do have a lot higher chance for a shit ton of reward, which was actually how I turned the $800 into $54,000 in 3 days. So this one, let's say, right, you're buying this. This is Monday, breaking out. You multiplied ADR by 3. So that gives you about a 21% move. And then you have 5 days for this. So within the next 5 days, this has to hit, what was it, 89 or something or higher. Let's see, the 27. Yeah, it's got to hit like 90 or higher, 89.50 or higher. Next day, where's it at? God damn. 89.22, the peak. What's the next day? Yeah, let's call that 101. It's that easy. Next day. This is Thursday. Where you at? 105 almost. Friday, you're at 108. So from where you expected or predicted the price, let's call it, you're up 21% higher than that. So you're very, very deep in the money on these contracts. That is how you're going to get those thousands and thousands and thousands of percent gains. That's how I get those 3,000, 5,000. My biggest one being like 8,500 or something from NVIDIA.